Hey guys, so today I've just got a really cute little parcel that I got to show you from the Vintage Witch on Etsy. This is her Instagram and Etsy for anyone that wants to go and check her out. I will put it all in the description as well. So she basically does wax melts and really cute little candles and like a couple of mystery boxes, like wax melt sets, stuff like that. So she sent me a selection here to show you. So first of all, I will show you this one. So this one is called How You Brewing and it's coffee caramel cream, which sounds incredible. So this is just like a little circle pot sort of wax melt. And I haven't opened any of these yet. I'm very excited to smell them. Oh, it's got cute little coffee beans on the top and glitter. Oh, wow. That smells amazing. I would 100% eat that if I could. It smells like a frappuccino, like a caramel frappe. Incredible. So that is How You Brewing. Then next, she sent me the whole collection of the craft wax bars that she does. So that is what they look like. So the first one is Nancy, of course. Her bar is lime and neroli, I think. It says, "Hail to the guardians of the watchtowers of the east, the powers of air and invention. Hear me, us, hear us." Then we have Bonnie. So Bonnie's is like an orange and blue kind of colour. And this one is strawberry, candy floss and marshmallow. I can't think of anything better, honestly. This one says, "Hail to the guardians of the watchtower of the south, the powers of fire and feeling, hear us." Then we have Rochelle. I actually met her in person the other day. It was amazing. She put me on her Instagram. I died a little inside. It was incredible. This one is Blackberry Jam, like a purple kind of colour bar with silver in there. It's gonna focus. And this one is Hail to the guardians of the watchtowers of the west, powers of water and intuition, heroes. And then we have Sarah. This one's like a cream and lilac colour and it is Parma Violets. This one says, "Hail to the guardians of the watch powers of the north by the powers of Mother and Earth, heroes." So I'm gonna just pop the little like tops of these open to smell them because I can't resist. So this one was the lime and neroli one. I don't know what neroli is, but I love lime though, so. Okay, so I can smell the lime and then it's kind of like a musky sort of scent. Not my absolute favourite. I'm gonna assume that the candy floss marshmallow one is gonna be my favourite, but it is still really, really nice though. So that one is the Nancy one. Okay, so this one I think is going to be incredible. Oh, that is absolutely amazing. It actually smells a lot more strawberry than I was expecting. If you've ever been to Lush and you've had their strawberry massage bars, that's kind of what this one smells like. So that one was Bonnie. Then we have Rochelle. So this one is the Blackberry Jam. Oh, that one's incredible. It smells a little like grape to me. We all know that I love grape. So I think actually up to now that one is my favourite so far, the Rochelle one. And then we have the Parma Violet Sarah one. So Parma Violets are one of those things. I don't know if they have them in other countries. In the UK they have little sweets called Parma Violets, just in case nowhere else has them, and they are actually flower kind of flavoured. It's one of those things that people, I can't get into this bar. It's one of those things that people either love or hate. I personally really like Parma Violets, but I know most people that I'm friends with don't like them. So let's see when I can finally get into this what it smells like. Yep, typical Parma Violet, sort of floral, fruity kind of scent. Amazing. Still think that the Rochelle one was my favourite, but that is the 4 of those. And then I think this is just a little tester. Smashing Pumpkins, Sweet Pumpkin and Vanilla Frosting, candle coming soon. Ooh, that sounds edible. Oh yeah. Amazing. Again, would eat it if I could. Cute little wax melt tester in there. I think it's a little pumpkin shape. I know I've closed it back up now so you can't see it, but sweet pumpkin and vanilla frosting. Then we also have a really cute little lollipop. And the last item I've got to show you is a little candle. So it just says The Village Witch on it. I don't know what is in here. Let me just tear it open. Oh, very cute packaging. Oh, so this is called Oft Pumpkin Patch. That's what it's called. So it says it's got notes of sweet maple and buttery pecan as the top notes, with creamy and spicy middle notes, and just a sprinkling of brown sugar enhanced by a long-lasting vanilla base. And the burn time on this is 30 to 40 hours, which is a really long time actually. They all sound incredible to me. That is exactly the scent that I would... Oh my gosh, it's so cute as well. I was going to say that is exactly the scent that I would like choose as a really nice food scent. It looks like a little sparkly waffle. It's got pumpkin sprinkles on it. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Literally, if I could go and eat a cake right now, this is the scent of the cake that I would choose. Like just vanilla-y, pumpkin-y, maple syrupy amazingness. So that is the Oft Pumpkin Patch candle, and that was everything that I got from the Vintage Witch on Etsy. So like I said, I'll put all the information for her down below in case you want to go and check it out. This candle, 100% my favorite. I think I need to go and get some more of these right now because this is incredible. I hope you liked this video anyway. If you did, please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.